going to be taking a look at the Propel Maximum. Here it is out of the box already. I did the flight on it already. It flies great. This thing flies really nice. Really nice. And that video will be coming right after we look at the stuff in the box. You get the battery charger, the screwdriver, the USB cable, 2 spare sets of props, documentation, the manual, little stuff here if you're having problems, customer service, phone number, battery, transmitter, and the quadcopter. It has this nice little guard on here too, which is really nice. The transmitter has these little removable grips on here. You don't have to use them if you don't want, but if you want to use them, you just slide them on there like that. I actually like them on there. The transmitter, it's pretty basic, but it works. Okay, it works great. And it takes, I think 3, oh, here, let me open it up real quick to show you. It's one of them you have to put the dastardly screw back in, okay, to hold it together. Oh, two AAAs. So that's all it takes, 2 AAAs. And the battery charger, when you put the battery in and plug it into your computer or whatever, the light will be red, and when it's done charging, it'll be green. So when it's green, you know it's charged fully. And it's a 3.7, it looks like a 500, 450 or 500. I'm not going to take it apart to find the label. The label's right there, but you can't really tell because it's covered up with the case. But there are screws on there that you could open that up, but I'm not going to do that. It just looks, and there's a little bit of weight to it. So I would say it's a 500. That would be my guess. It would be a 500. The transmitter is pretty self-explanatory because it has everything on there. It has a calibrate button, start and land, speed, and the stunts. It's all written out there for you. Then it has 2 different channels. If you know you have a friend that has one, you can put it on a different channel. So one person can have it on channel 3 and the other person can have it on channel 4. And they give you these little different thumb pads too. You can take off the sticks, is what I like, the sticks, and you can put on the little rockers, the little thumb rubber rockers. You can put them on, you know, and have it whatever way you like it, you know. Some people prefer that way. Some people prefer the sticks, which is what I do. So we'll just go with that. So let's just turn it on and you can hear what it sounds like in here. Okay, I have it here on channel 4. If there was somebody else here, they would hit the channel 3. And theirs would be on channel 3. So you could fly together. And then there's a light here for the rates. It says 1. And you would hit that. And it goes to 2. And it goes to 3 like that. And then back to 1. So that it shows you on the little light right there what channel you're in. And so you want to calibrate it. So you just put it flat. Hit the calibrate button. And there it goes. Then you want to take off. You just hit the start and land button right there. Really nice, man. Flies great. No problem. Flips galore. Okay, it'll do flips galore. This thing. Flies great, man. Flies great. All right, stay tuned for the outside flight coming right up. Hey guys, I'm out here with the Propel Maximum outdoor version of this video. So let's just take it up and see what happens. You get the rate up. This was a little Walmart special. It was on sale for, I actually think this thing is regularly like 40 bucks or something. But my Walmart had it on sale for 20, so I got it, okay? I don't think I would pay $40 for this. It does fly nice though. I'm trying to keep it in close so you can see it. And the flips seem to work well. No camera. Let me trying to get some of this trim. It's drifting a little bit. There's no wind. This is the first day that there hasn't been any wind here in Pittsburgh in 3 weeks, okay? I mean, it has been nonstop gusting like crazy for 3 straight weeks. Oh yeah, it flies good, man. It handles nice. Absolutely. Oh, it steers real crisp, real sweet, man. I'll put the flight time in. Comes with 1 battery. So far, I haven't had any, there's no Wi-Fi going on here, so, I'm not losing any bind or there's no lag, It's just smooth sailing. No Wi-Fi camera, no lag, okay? There you go. I would recommend this thing. If you can find this thing, go to your Walmart or check your Walmart.com, because, a lot of times on these Walmart things, on the store, it'll be the full price, but if you go check online, it's a lot cheaper. So you have to, when you're doing your Walmart shopping, you have to do that. You have to check the online price compared to the in-store price, because sometimes it could be drastically different. That's just a little heads up in case you don't know that. But luckily, when I was at the store, this thing was at the $20 deal at my store. Yeah, this is a great little flyer here, guys. This thing flies really nice. Really nice. One of them little backyard deals. but it's good. Like I said, I don't know if I'd go 40 bucks with it, but hell, 30 bucks would be okay. This thing flies nice enough to pay 30 bucks for it. No doubt. And believe me, I have played with a lot worse things than this, trust me. Okay, battery's getting ready to go because the flips aren't working. That's how I always check to see how the battery's doing. Check to see if the flips will still work, and they won't. So I don't notice a dropping in altitude here. No, stunts are done. Okay, so we'll just ride out the battery. I don't want to... Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. All right. All right, guys, there you go. Don't forget to go visit Drone Pool. Yeah. Propel Maximum. Real nice, man. Flies really nice. Really handles great. Walmart has them. If Walmart has it, I'm sure... you know, Target and, you know, stuff like that. I'm sure Target has it too if Walmart has it. So, all right, guys, there you go. Have a nice day. I'll put the flight time in. Okay, bye.